Assalamualaikum friends, I am Maida Said and you are watching Information YouTube channel. Today we will let you know about how to create a new account in Instagram very quickly. Before moving towards our topic, please tap the subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. Let's move to our mobile screen. First we have to go to Instagram. Tap the button login to other account. Then you have to click create new account. You have to type your name. If you finished, you have to press next. Create a password. So I've created a password, so I will press next. So you have to set your date. Then you have to press set. You have to press next. So you have to create a username. So you have to press next. So I have created a username. Then I have to press next. Then I have to give my phone number. Then you have to press next. So you have to press create new account. You have to read all policies and press I agree. You just have to wait for 1 minute. And you have to add a profile picture. So if you finished it, press done. So you have to press continue. You have to press continue. And you have to give your date of birth here. Then you have to confirm your name. And you have to press yes. Add imgh. And you just have to wait for seconds. Then you have to press CNIC. Then Instagram is asking you to assess your contacts. If you want to easily add your contacts from your device, you have to press allow. You have to press share post and stories. And you have to discover people. If you want to follow someone like so yeah. Then you have to press this arrow, and then you have to press turn on. Then Instagram is asking you to send you notifications. If you want to be notified, press allow. And that's it. You have learned how to create a new account in Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.